Okay, time to do a quick review of the Rough Rider money clip, my latest EDC acquisition. To make you happy, I'm going to make it snappy. So here goes. Really competitively priced, really well built, really nice little design. I'm really pleased with it. I'm so glad I bought it. Yeah, £8.90, not including postage. I think they're about $6-7 in the States. So an amazing bargain, really. Compared to the competition, I think it's the best looking one. Boca, they do one that's got some elastic band kind of wallet thingy that just looks a mess. And SOG, they do a money clip which looks a little bit bigger than this, got lots of cutouts, bigger blade, looks a little bit overkill for the pocket actually. And the other two models, the competition, are around the £40 mark. So, you know, this is just really nice. Great bargain. Lovely little thing. I like knives that look like sharks. Just when you thought it was safe. Yep, great little thing. Fits in my hand really nice. Fits in my pocket. It's not too heavy. At first I thought it was, but once you put the money on it and you've got it in your pocket, it doesn't feel heavy. It's a really solid build. It's made out of one piece of metal that's folded over. The frame, the handle is made out of one piece of metal that's folded over. You can see there's a cutout there for the frame lock, which when you actually look at it from the side fits really well against the blade, so it looks very secure. Also the clip, it's got a little bend, a little fold up here, so that when you are holding it you've got some extra grip, makes you feel more secure and gives you a little bit more control. Yeah, it's great. There's a little ball bearing here you can see in the frame lock, which when it's closed keeps it in position, stops it from flipping open. It just fits in there, which is a really nice touch. Yeah, anodized grey, which looks lovely, really nice and stylish. Fits in with the majority of my wardrobe and my hair. So yeah, nice, stylish product, competitively priced. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, it's a multi-tool. Why did I get a money clip? Because money nowadays is quite plasticky and springy and does tend to not want to stay in your pocket as well as it used to, because it doesn't fold up and it doesn't have any grip on it. So yeah, I thought a money clip would be a great idea. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, aesthetically, ergonomically, price wise, absolutely nothing to complain about. I'm really happy, really glad I bought it. It's my everyday carry at the moment. It's kind of exactly what I wanted really from an everyday carry. Just you know, multifunction, not too intimidating or scary if you pull it out, and yeah, able to deal with boxes, cardboard, rope, sticky tape, stuff like that. Couple of final details, specs. The blade is just over 2 inches and it weighs just over 2 ounces. I think if they were concerned about the weight, they could have put cutouts in it, but I don't think it would be as nice looking. I don't think that's necessary. It would probably lose some of its strength and rigidity if it did have cutouts as well. So yeah, I don't think that's a problem. The anodized grey has started to come off a little bit in one area where I think there's a little scratch where it's rubbing against a rivet maybe or a washer, but I don't mind that, you know, that's fine. Yeah, the other thing, I think something like this, if it was made out of titanium, it would be just really nice, and it would be a kind of, you know, object of desire, but it wouldn't be less than, you know, it'd be 10 times the price. It wouldn't be less than £100. I couldn't see it. So yeah, all in all, I think it's the best money clip knife out there. Price £9, not including postage. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, bye, and I do mean bye.